CBSE Biology Class 10 Chapter 8 How do organisms reproduce Part 3b. Let us learn the biology chapters through questions and answers which most of the students prefer. Note that PG here is for page, PR for paragraph in your textbook, and questions are in yellow color while answers are in white color. What is germination? The seed contains the future plant or embryo which develops into a seedling under appropriate conditions. This process is known as germination. You can see the picture of germination, seeds germinating, roots growing downwards, and the shoot, the leaves you can see growing upward. These are maize seeds. Which mode the human species use for reproduction? Sexual mode of reproduction is used by the humans. What are the general process of growth in human? Our bodies change as we become older. Our height increases from class 2 to class 10, and so does our weight, sometimes too much. We acquire teeth. We even lose the old set, so called milk teeth, and acquire new set of permanent teeth. All of these are changes that can be grouped under the general process of growth, in which the body becomes larger, bigger. What are the changes seen which are common to both boys and girls? Some changes are common to both boys and girls. We begin to notice thick hair growing in new parts of the body, such as armpits and the genital area between the thighs, which can also become darker in color. Thinner hair can also appear on legs and arms as well as on the face. The skin frequently becomes oily and we might begin to develop pimples. We begin to be conscious and aware of both our own bodies and those of others in new ways. What are the changes seen which are quite different to the boys and girls? There are changes take place that are different between boys and girls. In girls, breast size begins to increase with darkening of the skin of the nipples at the tips of the breast. Also, girls begin to menstruate at around this time. Boys begin to have new thick hair growth on the face and their voices begin to crack. Further, the penis occasionally begins to become enlarged and erect, either in daydreams or at night. What is called puberty? As the rate of general body growth begins to slow down, reproductive tissues begin to mature. This period during adolescence is called puberty. Why there are different changes in males and females during puberty? The changes are different because their state of sexual maturity must be identifiable by other individuals. Many changes during puberty, such as new hair growth patterns, are signals that sexual maturation is taking place. State the biological significance of sexual maturation. Many changes during puberty, such as new hair growth patterns, are signals that sexual maturation is taking place. Sexual maturation ensures that the actual transfer of germ cells between two individuals needs special organs for the sexual act of mating, such as the penis when it is capable of becoming erect. In mammals such as humans, The baby is carried in the mother's body for a long period and will be breastfed later. The female reproductive organs and breasts will need to mature to accommodate these possibilities. By male reproductive organs, the testes are located outside the body cavity. The formation of germ cells or sperms takes place in the testes. These are located outside the abdominal cavity in scrotum sac because sperm formation requires a lower temperature than the normal body temperature. Why urethra is called the common passage in male reproductive system. The sperms formed are delivered through the vas deferens, which unites with a tube coming from the urinary bladder. The urethra thus forms a common passage for both the sperms and the urine. Which glands are present in human male reproductive system? State their roles. Along the path of the vas deferens, glands like the prostate and the seminal vesicles add their secretions so that the sperms are now in a fluid which makes their transport easier, and this fluid also provides the nutrition. End of this part. Dear students, share your doubts and questions to this email. The email is given here in green color. The question answers of this chapter 8, how do organisms reproduce, will be continued in the next video.